Hey guys, Arslan here. Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to share with you an amazing opportunity, which is this game Undead block. It looks like a version of Call of Duty Zombies but in NFT. Okay, you might not know, but I love games. I played a lot of these games in the past before I went into crypto. Crypto is like drugs. It doesn't let you do anything else. So once you injected it, you're finished. You just have to focus on crypto. Everything has to be related to crypto. I would play this game, but I would not play Call of Duty game, because this is something new I want to try. I want to test things when it comes to NFTs, crypto, anything related to that. I just love it. Alright, this game I found out, a friend shared with me, and I said, damn, I really like it. They have gameplays, guys. The gameplays, I'll try to post the gameplays next to me so you can get an idea. Look at these 3D weapons. I mean, it looks nice. The colors, the camouflage, it just all looks nice, guys. This reminds me of the game, and they have gameplay and stuff like that. So far the project is kind of new, but they are promising to release the beta in Q1, so anytime now. And the Q2 they will have full functionality and the game release, and you can play with the controller PS5 and Xbox One. And if you see the details of each weapon, I mean, so well done, very nicely. Look at this. I mean, very detailed. So if you guys don't remember this gun, I do, because I played in Zombie. This was one of the favorite gun to get from the box, and you get the drinks as well, which give you energy and stuff. So there are 5 characters, which have different names right here: Lucas, Mask, Eva, and Jasper. So you can see some gameplay right here, and the team seems to be dogs, played by team. So it looks so far very good, and it's the YouTuber with 18 million subscribers made the video on it. Really, you guys might not know him. My brother used to watch him when we lived in Spain. A lot, his FIFA videos, Call of Duty videos, and he's a big YouTuber. So this looks very nice, sharp. They have too many details, many videos to explain. Like, they are not just, they're showing what they're doing, the progress. Okay, this is what I really like about this. And yeah, the project looks very nice to me, guys. You have to get in before the whitelist end. So there's only 3,000. That link is going to be in the description. The more details, you can go to FAQ. They're going to have 100 million tokens. So there's going to be 2 tokens. One is to buy and sell NFTs. Another one is to get when you play the game. You can play free to earn as well. Kill zombies and make money. Alright, how much fun is that? I like zombie games. I have Oculus. I'll show you in a second. Oculus. The most games I played is related to zombies and stuff like that. I really like it. Resident Evil and all that. It's just much more fun when you're not killing humans, you're killing zombies. And with the Oculus, it's just a different feeling, guys. If you played it, you know. I'm not playing these days, because I'm just too busy with other things. But I was playing for a lot of time this Oculus 2. I'm waiting for the upgrade, then I will start playing more games, because it's going to be much better quality and everything. So yeah, other than that, more information, you can get the link in description. There's going to be a link there, Discord link and Twitter link. So get in there and make sure you follow our project, which is going to have a lot of stuff. I will request if they can give me extra whitelist spot, which I can give away to you guys here. So there's always giveaway going on. You can get in this giveaway, you can get in this giveaway. It's free mint. There's limited supply. I'm trying to make this group. It will take time. It's a slow growth, and it will be worth it because it's free. You might have to pay some $10-20 for mint price, but eventually, long term, that's a plan. Because the more I grow, the more demand there will be, and the pass will probably grow as well. I'm not promising anything. That's why I made it free. I'm not gonna call it experiment. This is something I wanna get into, build a strong community. That's our end goal: build a strong community and add more value to this local pass. All right. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Link, you can subscribe from the link below, and you can check our, so all the links are going to be in the description. Have a great day, amazing day, and a good day. It's the start of the week, so have a good day, good start of the week. Thank you, bye.